Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a very great recipe that I learned to do in the States. It's a smoked turkey on the Pit Boss Navigator 850. We will fill the turkey with breadcrumbs, some meat, some apples. I will show you that in the recipe. And the first thing to do is to brine the turkey for 24 hours in the fridge. So we will need a half cup of salt, 1.5 cups, sorry, of brown sugar, some rosemary, some bay leaf, some juniper, and some black pepper and some oregano. Okay, so the first thing to do is to put some water to a boil, to bring some water to a boil, to dissolve the sugar and the salt. Okay, then we will let the brine cool, mix the spices, and put the turkey in the brine for 24 hours in the fridge. All right, let's go. A half cup of salt. So a cup and a half of brown sugar. So now it's boiling. So now we'll mix the spices. 1 tablespoon rosemary, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon black pepper, a half tablespoon of juniper, and 2 bay leaves. Up. Once the brine is cooled, we will put the turkey inside the brine and add water, so the turkey will be totally submerged by the brine. Okay. So the bird is in the brine, and now I will add some water to fully cover the turkey, like that. And now we'll let the turkey brine for 24 hours. Okay. So I promised you some sides to make with the turkey. So the first and the most famous side that you can find with the turkey is the green bean casserole, and for that we just need some green bean, 1 can of mushroom soup. I use the Campbell because this is the most used in the United States. 2 shallots, a bit of butter to make a roux, and then like a bechamel, and we will cook the green bean in the oven at 200 Celsius degrees for maybe 20 minutes, and then we will spread some dry onions on top. 5 more minutes in the oven, and that's it. So let's go. The first thing to do is to brown the shallots. One tablespoon butter. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of butter. And 1 tablespoon of flour, a big one. So we will add about 2 cups of milk. and the mushroom soup. So the next step is the cranberry chutney. So we will need about 500 grams, so 1 pound of cranberries, fresh cranberries, 2 or 3 cloves grounded, 1 stick of cinnamon, but I don't have any cinnamon sticks, so I use 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, some jalapeno slices, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup brown sugar, so now we add the cranberries, the apple, the dry figs, I use 5 slices of jalapeno pepper, so now I cover with the lid and I will let that cook for maybe 1 hour on low temperature, okay, at the minimum. So the cranberry chutney is ready. So next step now is the filling for the turkey. Before to go further with the filling, I will make an injection for the turkey. So I need 1 cup of chicken broth, about 100 grams of butter, and 1 tablespoon of rub of your choice. Okay, so it's just easier to do when the chicken broth is hot. All right, and now we let the butter melt in the chicken broth, and then we will let it cool a bit before to inject the turkey. All right. So now for the filling of the turkey, we need some sausage meat. Okay, about 300 grams, and I will use it immediately. 1 tablespoon of butter, and now we will cook that. Sausage meat. So now I will dice the onion. One cup of celery. So now we will add 1 apple. It's a green apple. Okay. I will not peel the apple. And now we will let it cook for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I add the garlic. So now I will have about 500 grams of breadcrumbs. Okay. I will beat an egg. Now we'll add 700 milliliters of chicken broth, about 2.5 cups. And we mix a bit of rosemary, a bit of thyme, maybe 1 teaspoon of each, and a quarter of a cup of flat parsley. So the filling is ready. The sides are ready. The barbecue is heating at 300 Fahrenheit degrees. It's about 150 Celsius degrees. Now we will inject the turkey, and then we will just put a small amount of rub. I will use the Tennessee apple butter rub from Pit Boss, which is great for chicken. The purpose of this rub today on that turkey is just to give some color. No taste, no flavor, no extra flavors. It's not possible at 300 Fahrenheit degrees on such a big piece of meat. So it's just for color. So be parsimonious. Okay. Up. All right, and now we will fill the cavity with the fillings. Up. So the turkey is ready. Now we will just smoke it at 150 Celsius degrees, 300 Fahrenheit degrees, for about 3 hours, or until an internal temperature in the meat and in the filling at 74 Celsius degrees, which is about 160 Fahrenheit degrees, if my memory is good. So there's just one more thing that I forgot to say, is that during the cooking session, after 1 hour and maybe 2 or 3 times during the cooking session, I will spray some butter on the skin, almost everywhere on the turkey, to get a great shine and a great brown color. That's not mandatory, but it's very, very useful for the color of the bird. I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching. I wish you all a great holidays, and please like and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.